Over the last 30 years, Buderim Air has been manufacturing, repairing and installing cold rooms and freezer rooms on quite a large scale. More recently, we've started going into the rental refrigeration market. As this room is going to be used as a rental unit, we construct it in a way that we can easily pick it up and shift it around. It's built onto a purpose-made, hot-dipped galvanized steel base, and when it comes time to move it, we just simply add the wheels to the base to move it around. We start off by installing the floor panels first. These floor panels are not only siliconed down, but they're riveted down to ensure they don't move or shift. The base provides a good air gap, lifting the freezer off the floor. If you set the freezer flat on the floor, it would have a far greater heat load and would be far more expensive to run when you consider the electricity usage. It's vital that you have a good tight vapor seal on these cool room panels. Any ingression of moisture on a freezer room application needs to ice. It means ice build up between the panels. It means puddles of water on the floor which will freeze and make for a slippery surface. To prevent this, we'll use mastic to join the walls together. Mastic doesn't have any strength properties, it's just there to ensure we get a good seal. On a freezer room application, we choose to use a 150mm thick insulated panel, and this is to ensure we have good insulation properties between the room environment and the outside environment. Once the walls have been erected, we will drop the ceiling panels in, once again ensuring we have a good vapor seal throughout. Once the walls are up and the ceiling's in, we can start working on the door. This particular freezer has got a heated door frame, and that's to prevent the build-up of ice through condensation through the door frame. Through experience, we have found that to seal the outside joints of the cool room panel ensures longevity of the panel. A new cool room, you should get 15, 18, 20 years out of it if it's been maintained and looked after correctly. As this room will be running as a freezer, we have installed heaters into the evaporator and drain line. When the machine goes onto a defrost, these heaters are energized and very quickly melts all the ice away. Here you can see the condensing unit getting moved into position. This is a 2-fan assembly, and this is so that we can correctly control the head pressures. We can cycle one fan on a nice cool day, and on a red hot day, both units will run flat out to get ahead of the heat load. So here you can see the room is complete. The wheels are just a temporary installation until we get the unit delivered to site. Once the cool room arrives on site, the room will be jacked up, the wheels will be removed and will be laid down in its permanent sitting position. Power will be connected, and within an hour the room will be down to temperature, ready to serve. Buderim Air has a full range of cool rooms available for the rental market. If you're looking for a room, be it a short-term rental, a long-term rental, even if you're looking for a permanent room to be built at your site, give us a ring at Buderim Air. We'll be happy to hear from you.